Dear learners, viewers and my dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well and fine. Good morning to all you. Today I shall discuss on new topics like as auxiliary verbs. In English, there are so many types of verbs in English grammar. Now I shall discuss on the auxiliary verbs. First of all, we have to know that what do we mean by auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are used in forming tenses, modes and voices of other verbs are known as auxiliary verbs. So, what are the functions of the auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs can help the main verb to describe the action. That action happened in first form or first tense and is happening in the present and will happen in the future. So now let's discuss the types of auxiliary verbs. In English there are two types of auxiliary verbs, such as number one, primary auxiliary verbs, and second one, modal auxiliary verbs. What is the primary auxiliary verbs? Primary auxiliary verbs can be used to have the main verb, and the another name of the primary auxiliary verbs are the ordinary verbs. Ordinary verbs or primary auxiliary verbs do not express the meaningful without the help of the main verb. So let's discuss about the types of how many types of the primary auxiliary verbs. Primary auxiliary verbs are three types in English, such as number one, to be verb, number two to verb, number two have verb. To do verb is am, is, are, was, were, 5 in number. To do verb, do, does, did, 3 in number. To have verb, have, has, had, 3 in number. The to be, to do, to have verbs are used as a present form, used as a progressive form, or continuous form, as a passive form. Follow this, my dear learners and students. Am, is, are, I am your teacher. আমি তোমার শিক্ষক. Here am is used as a main verb. He was a good boy. Here was used as a main verb. And progressive form or continuous form, follow this. I am doing the work. I am doing the work. He was playing football. Please, my dear learners, viewers and my dear students, follow this. I am doing the work. He was playing the football. Here, am, was are used as a present participle form. Present participle form. Now, to be verb is also used as a passive mode. Passive mode. Follow this. Mango is eaten. Mango is eaten. The books are printed. Are printed. Here, is and are used as a passive mode. Next one, to do. Do, does, did. The to do verb is very important in the English grammar. When we make a sentence without the auxiliary verbs, then with the auxiliary verb and form the main verb with the form verb, then the sentence sends into the negative form or indicative form. We have to use the do, does or did form. Follow this. He writes a letter. Here writes is a fleet verb. No auxiliary verbs are used in this sentence. So this is the main verb writes. When this sentence can be changed into the negative form or interrogative form, we have to use the do, does, did according to their tenses and person. Okay, he writes a letter. He writes a letter. He negative form. He doesn't, but does not write a letter. In interrogative sentence, doesn't he? Doesn't he write a letter? Negative interrogative from or does he write a letter or doesn't he write a letter? So here are some learners. Do, does, did or to do verb can be used as a to express the negative form or to make a interrogative sentence. Next one, the have, to have verb. To have verb, have, has, had. When you can, we have to use the have, has, had in the sentence. The main verb is turned into the passive mode. I have done the work. Done the. Okay. We had completed the work. We had completed the work. Here completed or done after the have had, the main verb is changed into the first participle form or PP form. I have done the work. And next one, follow this example. Have as had as used as a main verb. I have a cow. I have a cow. We had a car. Here have are used as a main verb. So this is the example of the to be verb. My dear learners and students, follow this here. To be verb is a being, B-I-N-G. At the ending of a B, we have to use or add the ing and BWN. The being is the form of the to be present participle form of the to be verb, and being the first participle form of the to be verb, and to do doing the present participle form of the do to verb, and the done the first participle form of the to do verb. Having the present participle form of the to have verb. Example of the having the sunset. Having the sunset, we return. Okay, follow this. Having the sunset, we return home. Having the sunset, we return home. সূর্য অস্ত গেলে আমরা বাড়ি ফিরলাম. Okay, my dear learners, সূর্য অস্ত গেলে আমরা বাড়ি ফিরলাম. Now, next one we have to discuss on modal auxiliary verbs. First of all, we have to know that what we mean by modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs can be used to indicate the modality. The modal auxiliary verbs different from the primary auxiliary verbs. Modality. The modal auxiliary verbs can be used as a formations, obligation, advice, speculation, obligation, permission, etc. So follow this example of the modal. Can, first from could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare, used to, ought to. These modal auxiliary verbs can be used as auxiliary verb when we use the modal auxiliary verbs in the sentence. The main verb is in present form. Example: we will go to school. You may go there. You may go there. May I come in, sir? Here, follow this the example. We will go to school. আমরা স্কুলে যাব। পসিবিলিটি সম্ভাবনা। You may go there, সে এখানে যেতে পারে। পসিবিলিটি নিশ্চয়তা, পসিবিলিটি সার্টিনিটি নিশ্চয়তা। উইল গো টু স্কুল, আমরা স্কুলে যাব। As a certainty comes, you may go there. পসিবিলিটি সম্ভাবনা হতে may I come in, sir? আর জনাব আমি কি আসতে পারি? এটার মতো। Okay, viewers and learners. Goodbye. Next meet. Goodbye.